But first tonight, details of how 16-year-old Felicia Barnes died are beginning to surface. Today, the state presented new information on how she was asphyxiated and stuffed into a plastic tub. Prosecutors also presented the suspect, Michael Johnson, as a possible flight risk. Cheryl Connor joins us now with more from the courtroom. Cheryl?
And Rosie, the defense believes any jury would shut down the case against 28-year-old Michael Johnson, but the judge decided to hold him until trial, saying there's evidence that he would leave the country. It is information the family of Felicia Barnes has waited on for 16 months. At a bail review hearing for the 28-year-old suspect, Michael Johnson, the state started to show its case. For the first time, we heard about a storage container they say Johnson bought at Walmart and had difficulty carrying out of the Northwest Baltimore apartment where Felicia was visiting family.
I would hope that he would tell exactly what he had in that container, tell his family the truth about what happened to Felicia Barnes.
The North Carolina teen went missing December 28, 2010, when she was visiting her half-sister, whom Johnson dated for years. In court, we learned the tub has not been recovered, but a neighbor told investigators he saw Johnson sweating, carrying it out of the apartment. Johnson's defense calls it a circumstantial case.
I don't believe any jury could look at what they've stated today and find him anywhere remotely responsible for any wrongdoing.
But the judge was not convinced enough to post bail. The state presented text messages and conversations between Johnson and his brother and girlfriend. Months after Felicia's body was found, Johnson allegedly said, "I got to be realistic about this. I should go to Brazil." The judge said no bail and noted the U.S. does not have an extradition policy with Brazil.
I don't blame him for it. He's scared. He's never dealt with the criminal justice system a day in his life. This is all new to him, and he's scared.
I know in my heart that something happened, and he was a part of it. And if you are guilty, it's going to come out. If it doesn't come out in the wash, it'll definitely come out in the rinse.
Prosecutors also say 500 text messages were traded between Michael Johnson and Felicia Barnes within 2 months prior to her death. But relatives have said Johnson thought of her as a little sister. Johnson is charged with 1 count of first-degree murder. He has no prior record. Cheryl Connor, ABC 2 News.